Hey, what's going on, solar families? James here. Hopefully you're doing amazing. On this video, I'm gonna go over the 4 ways to make passive income. These are the strategies and ways that I've created in my business and how I created a passive income, right? And keep in mind that passive income takes a little bit of time to build, right? It's not gonna be something that you do overnight and all of a sudden, you're gonna be making money while you sleep. It can happen for you, but it takes a little bit of time. So basically, the definition of passive income is you work or do something once and it pays you over and over again, right? With very little or some maintenance or even no maintenance at all. So that's the definition of passive income. Like I said, you don't want to stop selling solar, right? Because solar is your cash cow right now, and you want to build passive income alongside of you closing deals, right? So I'm not, discouraging you to close deals. Go close deals first, and alongside of you closing deals and making money, go ahead and create some passive income sources, which I'm going to share with you the things that I use to create passive income. So I'm going to jump right into it. The first thing is you want to be able to get overrides, right? So what I mean by this is you want to join a solar company or maybe have a platform where you can recruit other solar consultants, or you can train new consultants. And as they're closing deals and as they're making money, you're actually getting an override, right? A small percentage of their deal. Normally, it can range from, $300 all the way up to $500, right? So imagine getting an override from 10 consultants that's installing one job every single month. So multiply that by 500. Now you're actually making $5,000 passively with a handful of people that's actually closing deals, right? So this is going to be the most lucrative and best way for you to create some passive income, right? This is I guess my number one choice, right, out of all the 4 strategies I'm going to be teaching you today. That's going to be my favorite, right? So secondly, you can create a course. So just like myself, I've created courses online on solar sales training, whether you're a beginner or whether you're a seasoned veteran. We also have other training for like social media marketing. So basically, you created the course one time, or I created it one time, and it pays me over and over and over again, right? So that's another suggestion for you. So the third would be affiliate marketing, right? So basically, you're selling somebody else's products. So for example, we have an affiliate link that we can share with you, and say that you're a online marketer, for example. So basically what you do is you drive eyeballs to the sales page, and as people buy our products that we've created, right? Keep in mind that you didn't create any of these products, right? For step 2, these are the courses that you created, but to be an affiliate marketer, you didn't create any of these products. We've already created it for you. We share a link with you, and what you get is up to 45% of the commission, right? That's almost 50%. Some of our courses range from $997 to $1997 to almost $5,000. So imagine, making almost 50% from a $5,000 course, which you didn't create. You just basically drove some eyeballs to it, and then from there, people bought the course, and you made $2,500. Right? So that would be another great way to make some passive income. Obviously, you need some online, sales skills, right? And which leads me to, generating leads And basically what you do with those leads is you sell them. You can partner up with lead generation companies, come up with a price and how much they're gonna pay you per lead per state. And then from there, as you drive traffic to them, as you drive leads to them, they have partners with companies or individual consultants, and then from there, they're just gonna pay you a commission, whatever the commission is, right? Obviously, you wanna cherry pick a few that you can close. But if you can't close a deal, say for example, you live in California and that's where your install partner is at, and you get a lead in Alabama for whatever reason, and you can't sell in Alabama, then what I would do is I would sell that lead to a lead generation company, and that's passive, right? That's basically just driving traffic to their website, and then as people opt in from all over the country, you're getting paid 15 bucks, 20 bucks, 30 bucks, 40 bucks. You can even create a special agreement with them and say, hey, you know what? If I give you a more prime lead and this lead closes, right? Don't pay me the 15 bucks now, but pay me a higher commission as these deals close, right? So obviously you need some online marketing skills, but maybe you're already an online marketer. Maybe you already know how to generate traffic and get eyeballs to a website. So these are my 4 strategies on how I've created passive income. And like I said, passive income takes a little bit of time, because at the end of the day, closing deals are great, but what happens is when you close a solar deal, you have to go find another deal to close because it doesn't pay you over and over again. But imagine creating a system where you work one time and then from there it pays you over and over and over again. That's more powerful, right? That's more powerful. So if you want to dive in deeper, if you have more questions, whether it's passive streams of income or you want to learn sales and marketing strategies, make sure you schedule a free solar strategy call. There's gonna be a link right underneath this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, right? Click that subscribe button, click the bell notification as well, so you get all my updated videos as I release them. Other than that, hopefully you got some value from this. I look forward to speaking to you on the call. Goodbye for now.